Most financial gurus give you a massive lie. They tell you to fix your credit score first or pay off your debt first. But if you choose just one, you're bleeding money to high interest rates. Here is the exact blueprint to do both at the exact same time. Your credit score is heavily dictated by one major metric, your credit utilization ratio. This is just a fancy way of saying how much credit you are using compared to your limit. If you are maxed out, your score suffocates. To fix this instantly, you need to get your balances below 30% of your limit. To do this fast, ignore the tiny debts. Look at your highest interest credit card, the one eating your paycheck alive. Stop paying extra on everything else. Put every single extra dollar, side hustle money, or spare cash into that one single high-interest card. This is the debt avalanche method, and it saves you the most money in interest. But what if your interest rates are too high? This is where debt consolidation comes in. If you qualify for a lower interest personal loan, you use that loan to completely wipe out your credit card balances. Instantly, your credit utilization drops to zero, your credit score spikes up, and you now have only one lower monthly payment. But beware of the trap. If you consolidate your debt, but don't hide those credit cards away, you will build up new balances. Now, you'll have the loan and new credit card debt. True wealth isn't just about math, it's about shifting your mindset. You have to break the cycle of buying things you don't need with money you don't have. Take control of your blueprint today. Drop your score goals in the comments below. Hit that follow and subscribe button for Capital Blueprint, and let's build your financial freedom together. See you in our next video.